San Francisco 911, what's the exact location of your emergency?
Everybody needs to come over.
Hello, 911, what's the exact location?
You're not listening to this, please, fast.
I'm sorry, I can't understand you. Can you slow down with the address? Sorry, what's the address? What's the cross street?
Fast.
Hello, what is your cross street? Okay. You said your wife is bleeding and you think someone killed her?
Got her all over the floor.
What's your phone number in case we're disconnected?
Let go of me, Mark.
Who's there with you?
Let go of me. He has me in the...
Who is there with you? Hello?
Yeah, I'm here.
Who is there with you?
I can't hear you.
Who is there with you?
My son and dogs.
Okay, who do you think did this to your wife?
He hit with a stick.
Your son?
Yes. He's on drugs.
Okay. One moment here.
It is fast. Let go, Mark. Hello?
Hello, San Francisco 911.
He's on top of me.
He's on top of you. We have police on the way already, okay?
I need to get you fast.
Is your front door unlocked?
I'll go unlock it. I'll go check and see.
Okay, is your wife unconscious? Hello? Hello, are you still there? You still there? Hello? Hello, are you there?
All right, copy. Hey, sir.
Yeah,
Come here.
hurry.
Come here. What's going on? Does he have a weapon?
He has walking sticks.
Where is it at? Where are they at?
I don't want to walking
Come over here.
Come in, come in,
George
come
Forward,
in.
have the RP outside. He's bleeding from the face. Where are they?
Come in.
Come over here. Where are they? Huh?
George Forward has the RP outside.
Police! Who's up there? Sir, stay down there.
Come on up, bitches.
Hey, police! Let me see your hands. Hey, let me see your hands.
Come on.
Let me see your hands.
Come on.
George Forward, code 33. I have blood in the hallway. I'm upstairs. Making contact with the subject.
Yeah.
Sir, get down!
George Forward has code 30.
Hey, sir, hey, put the knife down! Put the knife down!
George Forward,
I'm not
Hey, bring ERW. You got 222. Hey, get down, get down!
Oh, you're running the foot,
Get
you
back.
little bitch!
I'll shoot you,
You
dude!
little bitch!
Hey, get back!
You're running away, huh?
Get
You're
back!
running away!
Get back!
You're running away!
Get back!
Chest fire!
This one, chest.
Drop the knife!
Are you okay?
George Forward has the air.
Well, I've been hitting him with a stick.
Hey, hold here, hold here! Hold! You see the knife?
It was in his right hand.
Hey, I need you to roll back over! I need to see your hands! I need to see your hands! Your hands! I need to see your hands, man! Hey, man, I'm trying to help you, man. Let me see your hands. I'm trying to help you.
Code 33 on 7 and 8 for George forever.
Get back, sir. Get back. Hey, someone get him. Okay, you stay here. Arnold.
I got him. You got it covered? Sir, stand back.
Hey, man, I need to see your hands up. We need to help you, okay?
Yeah, from 12 veteran, 11 veteran.
Hey, man, we need to help you, okay?
George Forward, 11 there with the forward.
Hey, man, what's your name, man?
148.
Hey, man, we need to help you, man. Hey, man, I want to get you medical attention, man. I need to see your hands.
Mark, show us your hands. Come on.
He still has a knife.
Still has a knife! Still has a knife. Still has a knife in his hand. Still has a knife in his hand.
Hey, I need you to roll. Roll over.
Roll over.
Roll over to your left. Roll over to your left. I need you to get away from the knife.
Hey, Mark, drop the knife.
Hey, how do we want to play this, guys? How do we get this?
Hey, listen. The knife's on the ground.
Yeah.
Let's slowly move up.
Okay.
Let's slowly move.
Hey,
He's moving.
hold up, hold up.
Hey, Mark,
We need to arrest him.
Do we have a shield? Let's get a shield. Let's get a shield. Let's get a shield. Hurry up. Hurry up with the shield.
Where's the knife?
The knife's out of his hand. Knife's out of his hand. Listen, don't reach for the knife. Do not reach for the knife. Put your hands on top of your chest.
Hey, go.
Put your hands on your chest.
Yeah, Mark.
The other way.
Listen, Mark, you have to roll the other way.
Other way, man.
Go to your left, Mark.
Mark, roll to your left. Don't touch the knife, okay?
Keep rolling. Keep rolling.
Hey, I'm gonna roll.
Can you roll to us? Can you roll to us?
Yeah.
Do you have the shield up? Come up front, come up front.
Hey, the knife is.
Hey, listen.
Where's the knife?
It's in reaching distance. Pancake him. Ready? Go ahead, move it. I got you. Move.
Where you hit, man? Where you hit?
Alright, let's go.
George forward. Medic code 3. The subject is down. We gotta be safe.
I got a chest seal.
Got a chest shield? Get a chest shield up.
Hey, we need to clear the rest of the house.
Affirmative, safe.
Side out. Get the chest shield.
Still gotta clear the rest of the house.
No, the wife. Just the wife. The wife's on the way. Just the wife's in the house.
Okay, but here.
Just
Hey, you got him? You guys get him?
Cover him.
Go ahead.
It's just the wife up there. Just the wife
Hey,
up
stay
there.
with me, man. Mark, stay with me. Look at me.
Go ahead.
You see me?
Hold right.
Is your mom upstairs? What happened, man? Please tell me what happened.
Search. Good.
chest seals
Wait.
Where else are you hit, man?
Alright, move up. Move. Go ahead. Police!
Anyone else in here?
Moving up. One down! We have one down in the bathroom. A lot of blood.
Police department!
Let's go, please.
Looks like an 802.
Let's go, please.
Two?
No, just shoot him and the guy outside.
Where's the 221?
No, I think it was just the 222 who had it outside.
George 104 and 117, show us 98.
George 104, 117.
George 11 Edward, no pulse.